Hi guys, so I'm going to be going over the lesson practice with you from yesterday. That way you can see how I got the answers, and if you have any questions you can go ahead and ask me through the dashboard or email. So I'm going to walk you through each one. We're going to start with our first one, which is 38 times 26. We're going to go ahead and start with 6 times 8. We start with our ones place. So 6 times 8 is 48. So you're going to put your 8, carry your 4. Then you're going to multiply it to the 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 4 is 22. Now our next step, you're going to bring your 0 because we're going to start with our tens place. We already did our ones. Now we're going to do our tens. So 2 times 8 is 16. Put your 6, carry your 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus the 1 we carried is 7. Our last step is we add them together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. And the correct answer is 988. Our next one is going to be 49 times 82. We start with our ones place. 9 times 2 is 18. Put your 8, carry over your 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. You're going to put your 0. Now we're going to multiply it with our tens digit. 8 times 9 is 72. So put your 2, carry your 7. Then 8 times 4 is 32, plus 7 is 39. And you're going to add them. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus the 1 we carried is 10. 3 plus 1 is 4. And our correct answer is 4,018. Our next one, we're going to start with our ones place. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 8 is going to be 56. So we're going to do plus 2 is 58. And then you're going to go ahead and put your 0. Now we're going to start with our tens. 6 times 4 is 24. So put your 4, carry your 2. Then 6 times 8 plus 2 is going to be 50. And now we're going to add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry your 1. 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Bring down your 5. And your answer is 5,628. Now for our last one, we're going to start with our ones place. 8 times 5 is 40. Put your 0, carry your 4. Then 6 times 8 is 48, plus 4, 52. And then you're going to put your 0, start with our tens. 5 times 4 is 20. Put your 2. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 2 is 26. Our last step is to add them. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry your 1. 2 plus the 1 we carried is 3. And your correct answer is 3,120. Now for our last one, it said Maya's renting 21 tables for reception. So 21 tables. And the rental cost is $29 per table. So she's wanting to come up with a reasonable estimate of how much she's going to have to pay. So anytime we're going to estimate, you guys, remember I've said plenty of times we round. So we're going to round both numbers. We look at our ones place. 1 or less, 4 or less, let it rest. So it's going to stay at 20 times 29, 5 or more. Add 1 more, so we're going to add it to 30. And now we multiply. There's going to be 2 ways you can do it. Our mental math that we learned, where we have a total of 2 zeros. We put our 2 zeros, then do 2 times 3, which is 6. And it gives us 600, which is our reasonable estimate. Or you can do it the way we've been learning, and multiply each digit. So 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Bring down your 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. Then you add them, and you're going to get 600. So that is how you get the answers. If you have any questions on them, go ahead and email me or send a message through Dashboard. Have a good day, guys.